Hello guys, I'm Dan Wei Zhong from BCSCU at Indie College. With this video, I'm going to explain how our software run and coding function is worked through all over our project. We're getting the data from window event viewer logs and import inside the Excel. Okay, so let's start the Excel file first. So as you can see, we have 8 columns, which is from A to H. So from the first column, this is our primary key, which is ID. Second column with status, level, date and time, source, event ID, task category, and message. So this is all the data that we're getting from window viewer event, and we import inside this Excel file. Okay, so let's look at our user form. So this is our user form, our GUI interface. So as you can see, this is our list box, which is show our Excel data, and we also prepare all these labels and text box to show the data when I click in. Okay, we just start to run the program first. Okay, so as you can see, when I click one of these, okay, you see, it will show in all these text box. ID for status is fixed, and level is error, date and time is October 8, 2019, so source is VSS, yeah, just according from the above list box. So once the admin already fixed all the errors, they have to change the status. So what can they do? They just press one of these pending data. So they choose from this combo box. They only can choose either it's pending or fixed. Pending is still remain at the same, nothing changed. So fixed is that this error already fixed. Okay, let's try. Now I choose fixed, not yet changes. So when I click update, it should be changed from this list box status from pending to fixed. Okay, let's try. Yup, it works. So as you can see now, the number 5th ID already changed the status from pending to fixed. So yeah, so now I will explain how our code function. Yep. As you can see, so this is our update button function. So the coding of this is to update the data once the user already click in the button of updates. So if user doesn't input anything from this code, it means that if user does not input anything inside the status combo box, it will pop up a message that please select a row. Yeah. If there is a value, then it will store inside the data list. So the update button will also run only when the ID is available for the current row, else it will shut down the whole function. Yeah, from this row is to check whether the following rows of first column is available value or not. If no value, then it will shut down the whole function. So after the value is updated and stored inside the data, the list box, inside the list box, the text box and combo box will become empty. Yeah, from here, this code is to change the status value row B where's the status row, the combo box, take the combo box value and put inside the row B. Okay. So the next one is this list box click. So the coding following is to place the data that clicked by user in the text box and combo box that is designed at the bottom of application. Yeah, this one. From here. Okay. So the column start from 0, which is the first row, until 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will show inside this text box, and the status will show inside this combo box. Okay. Yeah. So the next one, this one, text box 3 after update. This one is to change the value that getting from the list box to in a date format, which is to prevent the value to be shown in numbers, you know. Without this code, the value will be shown in negative something and not in date format. Okay. So this code is to add the string value into the combo box, pending and fix. Okay, you can see. First we clear the value. Make sure it's nothing inside the combo box, and then we add the value. Okay. And the last one, this one. User form initialize. This code is mean that when we run the user form will come out the first things and it will run automatically the first items that it will run. Okay, so we have 3 variables: y, arrow, and error. Okay, so this error is to getting the first row ID, the first row that make sure the first row or first column that having number. If there's okay, as you can see, if there is nothing inside the first row or first column, then the coding will not run, it will shut down automatically. Okay, it's not being contained a value. So let's get back to the user form. Okay, so this is from the row number 1 until the end of the data, and this is the end of data, and this is the first row. The 0 row is the first row, and this is number 1 row. Yeah, so we put all this data from Excel to our list box that's prepared inside our user form. The data list is shown according to the Excel list from column A until column H. So the code will keep loop with the next code until there's no more data in the following rows. Yeah, so run again with this software. Let's take an example. So this one, 15, number 15 ID, and it is still pending, which means the error is still not fixed yet. So take an example, like the engineer already fixed this problem, so we have changed the status from pending to fixed. So update. Okay, it works. So let's change back from fixed to update. Okay, it works. So let's try when there's no any data inside this text box. Will it show the message box? Okay. Yeah. You have to click at least one of these before you pressing the update button, or else it will not take any action. Yeah, and I will try. Yeah, you can see you cannot change any value. You cannot change any value in this following text box. You only can look at this or this value. The only value that you can change is from this frame status maintenance. Okay. Yeah, let's do one more example. You can see this fix. Change back to pending. Okay, it works. So that's all my videos. Thanks for watching.